We left St. Anthony yesterday and arrived in Trout River in Hawke's Bay, and that evening we explored Port au Choix and Port Saunders. Our plan today is to do some hiking on the Tableland Mountains as well as visit Woody Point and stay in Trout River. Total, it's about a 3-hour drive. Our first stop was the Trout River Falls Salmon Interpretation Center in Hawke's Bay, but unfortunately due to COVID, the center was closed. I can't even hear you. Wow. Oh. What do you think?
Well guys, here we are at the Tablelands. This is magnificent. You go from like traveling across the west coast. It is extreme differences as you go along, and then this pops up and you get to enjoy this. The wind is nice and breezy and it's kind of keeping us cool because it is a hot day. Just take a look at this. It's beautiful.
There are only two places on our planet where the Earth's mantle rock lies exposed on the surface, and the Tableland Mountains in Newfoundland is one such magnificent spot. The 4-kilometer trail hike is fairly easy and flat, and the trail is like exploring another planet. It's a fascinating and incredible geology with its surreal barren and marshal-like landscape. The surface was pushed up by colliding continents over 400 million years ago. Tableland Mountains, Newfoundland, West Coast, spectacular views. This is a very, very unique, special place. I'll post some stuff about the rock formations and how this is created, but the soil is poisonous and basically nothing grows here very well. It's a very unique ecosystem. There's no two ways about it. This is a very special place. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.